In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Grafana to influxdb. If you're working with time series data, this connection lets you turn raw metrics into beautiful interactive dashboards, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. I'll walk you through each screen and explain what the fields mean so you know exactly what to enter. First, sign in to your Grafana cloud account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open the Connections section. Then select Data Sources. This is where Grafana keeps all the external systems it can pull data from. Click Add Data Source to start a new connection. If you're using a self-hosted Grafana, the steps look the same from here. Next, search for influxdb in the list and select it. Grafana will load a setup page specifically for influxdb with all the fields you need. If you're not sure whether you're on influxdb 1.x or 2.x, don't worry. We'll cover the fields in a way that makes it easy to match your setup. Now, let's configure the connection. In the URL field, paste your influxdb endpoint. For a local server, that might be http://localhost 8086. If you're using a cloud instance, use the full HTTPS URL provided by your influxdb service. Make sure there's no trailing slash and that the protocol matches your server's configuration. For authentication, provide either a token or a username and password, depending on your influxdb version. influxdb 2.x typically uses tokens, while 1.x often uses a username and password. Ensure the credentials you use have read access to the data you want to visualize. A quick tip: copy tokens carefully and avoid extra spaces. Next, fill in the organization or database field. influxdb 2.x uses organizations, while 1.x uses databases. If your setup requires it, specify the default bucket for influxdb 2.x. This is the bucket Grafana will query by default, unless you choose another one in a dashboard panel. When everything looks right, click Save and Test. Grafana will immediately try to connect and validate your settings. If the connection is successful, you'll see a green message saying, "Data source is working." If you get an error, double-check the URL, confirm your token or password is correct and has the right permissions, and verify the organization, database, or bucket names match exactly. Network issues like blocked ports or an incorrect protocol are also common causes, and that's how you connect Grafana to influxdb. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.